Now, I want to show you how to solve for the perimeter and area of this figure. Alright? So, let's do this. But it says here we need to get the perimeter and the area in millimeters. So, therefore, if you were to look at your ruler, this one, the 0, 10, 20, they are millimeters. If you want to convert that to centimeters, exclude the zeros when you get to the tens. Okay? So, let's do it. So, first, let's get the measures. This is 60 centimeters. This is 60 mm. 60 mm ito. Let's get the measures, shall we? So, first, this is 60 millimeters, right? And then this one on the right is 40 millimeters. The one on the left is 50 millimeters. But since we have this red thing here, what should be the measure now? Therefore, there are two ways. Look. 40 and 50, right? So what must be the measure of the vertical? If 40 is from this one up to this part where the red is, and 50 is from here that goes past the red, what should be the measure of the red? If your answer is 10 millimeters, you are correct. So 10 mm. Next, this is 43 millimeters on the brown side, and then on the by diameter is 60 millimeters. So what must be the measure of the red thing? You just sum it up. 43 and 17 to give you the big fat total of 60 millimeters. Now let's solve for the perimeter. It's very easy now to solve for the perimeter. The thing that you need to do is to just add everything up. Add up all the measures that you have. But the problem is we got a half circle in the way. But don't fret when you have a half circle, because the formula of half circumference is still implied. Watch this. So yun po yung ginawa ko. Multiply and then divide. So we should get the answer of 9.42. So therefore, the measure of this curved part is 94.2 millimeters. Now let's add everything up. 50 plus 40 is 90. Don't add the 60 because it's in the interior, right? 60, then 70 plus 43. 17 plus 43. Remember, this becomes 100. 17, 117 plus 43, 160. Then last but not least, 160. Oh yeah, 160 that you see. Sige, ballpen ko na lang para nakita mo. 160 plus this 94.2. Yup, 2, 4. Yan. The perimeter is 254.2 centimeters. Now let's play the game of solving for the area. To solve for the area of this guy, you can this. Ang gagawin mo ay, you can part the figure into polygons, okay? Like, I want to part this half circle para ito na. Then we have this rectangle. You can part it in two ways. Either you want it this way or this way. Para mas komportable, gusto ko pag ganito. Okay? So, ganito yun. Now, let's solve for the area. First off, for the first rectangle, we have this. This is 10 millimeters. And then, what's the measure here? This is 43 millimeters. So, 43 times 10, that's 430 square millimeters. 430 mm squared. Okay? 430 millimeters squared. Okay? What about the second one? What about the second one? Yung ito, second square. We have this one. This rectangle. Okay? This is 40 millimeters from this point up to that point. And then 60. So 60 times 40. 60 times 40 equals 2,400 square millimeters squared. Tama? But we're not done yet because we still have a half circle. And to solve for the area of the half circle, mabilis lang to. 3.14 times the radius squared. Since the diameter is 60 millimeters, you will have to convert that to its radius, which is 30 millimeters. And 30 squared is 900. So therefore, you're in luck na talaga when you solve for the area. 3.14 times 900. Lucky since I memorized my multiplication of pi, the area should be 2,826 square mm. Okay? So, ganito yun. Okay, so ganyan yung area namin, okay? 1,413 pala since I forgot to divide by 2. So, don't forget to be very careful with your computations. Now, let's add everything up. So, we got 2,400 plus 430. Kita ba? Plus the last one, which is 1,413. We should get a total area of 4,243 square millimeters. So the total area of this figure is 4,243 mm squared. Okay? That's it.